Wait. God! 3 pounds! I almost gained 3 pounds! What's wrong with you?
Wait, Sally, come back, come back.
Why do you give me like a stupid Tesla?
Wait, Sally, we have a challenge for you today that's been going viral for a while. It's kind of like a health hack. It's hard to explain. Just here, I have it for you. Just watch it.
Ooh, muscular. What about it?
It's kind of like a 7-day turmeric shot challenge. Apparently, it's super good for your health. Let's do it. Just do it. Do it. Okay. Let's go get the ingredients.
You might be wondering why I'm adding pepper to my drinks, right? Apparently, the secret ingredient of turmeric that has all the good stuff is called curcumin. This is the active ingredient of turmeric. Here's where it gets interesting. Our body doesn't absorb curcumin very well on its own. To maximize benefit, curcumin needs a little help. That's why turmeric is often paired with black peppers, which contains piperin. Piperin boosts curcumin's absorption by 2,000%. Yes, you heard that right, 2,000. That's why many people recommend adding black pepper to your turmeric shots, or even your food when you're using turmeric. All right, let's continue. So, 7-day challenge of turmeric drinks. Maybe I'll come up with a prettier and healthier me. Who knows? Let's go. Cheers to my day 1 of the turmeric challenge. I hope it's good. Cheers. Okay, very spicy. The taste is very gingery, very spicy, quite sweet though. The burning sensation now, I can feel it coming down to my stomach. Well, it's healthy taste because of the ginger. So let's see how it works. So I kept doing my research. And from what I read, turmeric is supposed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A study published in Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can block key molecules involving in inflammation, which means that incorporating turmeric into your daily routine could help with conditions like arthritis, heart disease, or even bloating. And a study from phytotherapy research found that turmeric was effective in reducing symptoms of IBS, including bloating, gas, or abdominal discomfort. If you often experience post-meal bloating, adding turmeric may help soothe your digestive tract. And turmeric also helps improve brain function by increasing level of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Pretty much things like you're more clear-headed, your mood's supposed to be elevated, and to be honest, I have been feeling a bit more upbeat these days. Maybe it's a thanks to turmeric, or maybe it's something else. Anyways, enough talking from me. Let's continue taking these horrible tasting turmeric shots. Time for my turmeric. Today is my day 2. I'm actually quite looking forward to it. I hope I'll get some true effects from it. I actually set an alarm for it because I think, to get the effect at the same timing will work best. So, finger crossed. Okay, cheers. Okay, the second day is not as good as the first day. It became a little bit more bittery, I'll say. Maybe the black pepper or the turmeric is coming out. I don't know. A little burning, but yeah, if it will get me a good result, I'm looking forward to it. Day 3 it is. I'm not as looking forward as yesterday. I feel less cold in my stomach area. So I think that's a good sign. My day 4, to be honest, I don't really feel anything yet. Okay, cheers to day 4. I actually feel a little bit bloated, to to be honest. My stomach has a little weird sensation. Stomach-wise, after drinking, I'll feel a heat sensation. Maybe it's a little too much of ginger. I don't feel stronger. I don't feel weaker. I don't feel... To be honest, I don't feel anything. Especially the first one, I actually like it. But until the 4th day, it's a little bit too spicy for me, I'll say. I feel a little icky, but let's see. After day 4, I started to feel some effects, not the good ones. My skin started to break out a little, and instead of me feeling energized, I start to notice more fatigue actually. So as I was continuing my research, it became evident that my suspicions were right. The recipe everyone was following online, and of course, what we follow as well. Not it. I'll talk about that after the challenge. What a busy day today. Today is my day 5 of doing this. Cheers, day 5. Why is this even a thing? Yeah. Oh. Hi guys, day 6, cheers. As you know, I don't like it cold, so I bring it down after gym. And I'm looking forward. Tomorrow is the last day. Almost done. One more day. God, 3 pounds. I almost gained 3 pounds. What's wrong with you?
Wait, Sally, come back.
Why do you give me like a stupid I have just completed my 7-day challenge of taking these turmeric shots every day. So from day 1 to 3, honestly, I didn't notice any visible effects. If anything, maybe I feel a little tiny bit more energetic. I know it was supposed to be doing something good for my body. So maybe just placebo. By day 4 and 5, my skin starts to break out and I start to freak out. And at the end of the week, it completely transformed me. I gained nearly 3 pounds. God. No sudden boost of energy, but more fatigue. No dramatic reduction in pain or bloating. Instead, I feel more bloated. And I didn't turn into some glowing wellness guru overnight. I know the benefits of turmeric are real, and some of you had seen good results, but from my personal experience, from my body, did me no good. Why? Because of the recipe everyone was trying online. I added a juice of lemon, 3 oranges, some pepper, a tablespoon of turmeric, but each one of those oranges actually contains about 12 grams of sugar. So that's a whopping 36 grams of sugar. And for the record, that's same as eating about 9 teaspoons of table sugar. And people are advocating to drink this first thing in the morning in an empty stomach. Yeah, you know what happens when you down something that sweet in the empty stomach? My blood sugar spiked, which explained the energy I thought I feel earlier on. But then the crashes make me feel very fatigued. Also, this make me crave for more food because that was what the sugar spike will do after the crash. And I'm very careful on what I eat already. To be honest, I was not expecting any kind of miracle just in a week, but I didn't think it would have such a negative effect on me. And for those doing this 7-day challenge, one study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology found that curcumin supplement takes at least 4 to 8 weeks to see noticeable changes in inflammation level or mental clarity. So a 7-day challenge might not be enough to feel these long-term benefits. While I didn't feel like a completely different person by the end of the week, maybe next time I'll go for a 30-day challenge with a completely different recipe and see what happens. Always know, health is a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, guys. 7-day challenge of turmeric shots. If you think of trying any of these health trends you see online, don't expect miracle right away. And do your research on the recipe. And if you think it's the right fit for you, stick with it. I'm sure you will start to feel the benefit. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye!